Do you want to know how to love at a greater level? Run. Remove yourself from the center of attention. Gain an understanding. Acknowledge that there's no greater love. I remove myself from the center of attention and no longer zoom in on everything that has to do about me, my wants, and what I feel I'm entitled to. That relieves the frustration, that relieves the selfishness, and that gives me a greater opportunity to consider other perspectives around me, which then leads to getting an understanding, the you. There are a lot of relationships and scenarios we might find ourselves in that if we actually gained an understanding of the context behind people's behaviors, responses, or lack thereof, it's actually harder to remain mad at you because I get it. I understand where you're coming from. The end is very special because there's no greater love than this of one who lays his life down for his friends. Speaking of Jesus, who is the greatest love. No matter how much they do or don't do for me, it could never equate to the love that God has already poured into me. The best they can do is reflect it, can never match it. So now I'm able to love forward, fail forward, all of those things, and not be so consumed by frustration and selfishness if somebody doesn't reciprocate that energy to me.